नाइ नभन्नुस्, don't say no. Don't say no. नाइ नभन्नुस्, don't say no. अर्को सेन्टेन्स छ, यो मेरो फैसला हो. It's my decision. It's my decision. यो मेरो फैसला हो. It's my decision. अर्को छ, अँध्यारो भइसक्यो. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. अँध्यारो भइसक्यो. It's getting dark. अर्को छ, खाना पस्किदिनुस्. Serve the food. Serve the food. खाना पस्किदिनुस्. Serve the food. अर्को छ, के तिमीले कोसिस गर्यौ? Did you try? Did you try? के तिमीले कोसिस गर्यौ? Did you try? तिमी गएर उसलाई बोलाऊ. You go and call him. You go and call him. तिमी उसलाई गएर बोलाऊ. You go and call him. मलाई चुरोट पिउन मन लागिरहेको छ. I feel like smoking. I feel like smoking. मलाई चुरोट पिउन मन लागिरहेको छ. पुरानो बानी मुस्किलले छुट्छ. Old habits die hard. Old habits die hard. पुरानो बानी मुस्किलले छुट्छ. म तिमीसँग जाँदैछु. I'm going with you. I'm going with you. तिमीसँग जाँदैछु. I'm going with you. म हैरान भइसकेको छु. I'm fed up with you. I'm fed up with you. म तिमीदेखि हैरान भइसकेको छु. I'm fed up with you. मैले बुझेको थिएन. I didn't understand. I did not understand. I didn't understand. मैले बुझेको थिएन. तिमी कसरी भिज्यौ? How did you get wet? How did you get wet? तिमी कसरी भिज्यौ? How did you get wet? तिमी कसरी भिज्यौ? मलाई आफूमा भरोसा छ. I believe in myself. मलाई आफूमा भरोसा छ. I believe in myself. कृपया दुखी नहुनुहोस्. Please don't be sad. Please don't be sad. कृपया दुखी नहुनुहोस्. के कुरा छ? What is the matter? What is the matter? के कुरा छ? What is the matter? अब कस्तो लागिरहेको छ? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? अब कस्तो लागिरहेको छ? अब हामी कुरा गरिरहेका छौं. We are chatting now. We are chatting now. अब हामी कुरा गरिरहेका छौं. चिया चिसो हुँदैछ. Tea is getting cold. Tea is getting cold. चिया चिसो हुँदैछ. के मसँग जान सक्छौ? Can you walk with me? Can you walk with me? के मसँग जान सक्छौ? Can you walk with me? तिमीले सिटी किन बजायौ? Why did you whistle? Why did you whistle? तिमीले सिटी किन बजायौ? ऊ रिसले पागल छ. He is wild in rage. He is wild in rage. He is wild in rage. ऊ रिसले पागल छ. म तिम्रो हालत बुझ्छु. I empathize with you. I empathize with you. म तिम्रो हालत बुझ्छु. धेरै भाव नखाऊ. Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. धेरै भाव नखाऊ. जाऊ आफै हेर. Go see for yourself. जाऊ आफै हेर. Go see for yourself. आफ्नो जुत्ता निकाल. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. आफ्नो जुत्ता निकाल. यो सब तिम्रो कर्म हो. It's all your doing. It's all your doing. यो सब तिम्रो कर्म हो. तिमी जाऊ म आउँदैछु. You go, I'm coming. You go, I'm coming. तिमी जाऊ म आउँदैछु. You go, I'm coming. त्यस्तो नभन. Don't say like that. Don't say like that. त्यस्तो नभन. Don't say like that. म पुरै दिन व्यस्त छु. I stay busy all day. I stay busy all day. म पुरै दिन व्यस्त छु. I stay busy all day. I stay busy all day. म पुरै दिन व्यस्त छु. समय कसैलाई पर्खदैन. Time waits for none. Time waits for none. समय कसैलाई पर्खदैन. Time waits for none. मलाई पनि यस्तै लाग्छ. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. मलाई पनि यस्तै लाग्छ. I feel the same way. यो किन हुन्छ? Why does it happen? Why does it happen? यो किन हुन्छ? Why does it happen? राम उनलाई धेरै माया गर्छ. राम loves her a lot. राम loves her a lot. राम उनलाई धेरै माया गर्छ. राम loves her a lot. जति चाँडो हुन सक्छ. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. जति सक्दो चाँडो. As soon as possible. तिमी किन रुँदैछौ? Why are you weeping? Why are you weeping? तिमी किन रुँदैछौ? Why are you weeping? म हजुरलाई सुन्न सकेन. I could not hear you. I couldn't hear you. म हजुरलाई सुन्न सकेन. मेरो नजरबाट टाढा हुनुहोस्. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मेरो नजरबाट टाढा हुनुहोस्. आउनुहोस् अब खाना खाऊ. Let's have food now. Let's have food now. आउनुहोस् अब खाना खाऊ. You लिनुहोस्. Take it. Take it. You लिनुहोस्. Take it. अर्को सेन्टेन्स रहेको छ अरु केही. Anything else? Anything else? अरु केही? Anything else? अर्को छ अरु केही होइन. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. अरु केही होइन. अर्को सेन्टेन्स छ होशियार हुनुहोस्. Be careful. Be careful. होशियार हुनुहोस्. Be careful. अर्को छ अहिले नै. Right now. Right now. अहिले नै. Right now. अर्को सेन्टेन्स छ यो के हो? What is this? What is this? यो के हो? अथवा What's this? अर्को सेन्टेन्स रहेको छ मलाई देखाउनुहोस्. Show me. Show me. मलाई देखाउनुहोस्. Show me. अर्को सेन्टेन्स छ मेरो कुरा सुन्नुहोस्. Listen to me. Listen to me. मेरो कुरा सुन्नुहोस् अथवा मलाई सुन्नुहोस्. Listen to me. अर्को सेन्टेन्स छ मलाई थाहा छ. I know. I know. मलाई थाहा छ. I know. अर्को छ मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. I don't know. मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know. अर्को सेन्टेन्स रहेको छ बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्. Walk slowly. त्यस्तै गरी अर्को सेन्टेन्स छ जोडले बोल्नुहोस्. जोडले बोल्नुहोस्. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. जोडले बोल्नुहोस्. Speak loudly. जोडले बोल्नुहोस्. अर्को छ यो तुरुन्तै गर्नुहोस्. Do it right away. Do it right away. यो तुरुन्तै अथवा तत्कालै गर्नुहोस्. Do it right away. अर्को सेन्टेन्स रहेको छ मेरो पेट खराब छ. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. मेरो पेट खराब छ. My stomach is upset. अर्को छ धेरै नखानुहोस्. Don't overeat. Don't overeat. धेरै नखानुहोस्. Don't overeat. Don't eat too much. धेरै नखानुहोस्. धेरै नखानुहोस्. Don't eat too much. धेरै नखानुहोस्. Don't eat too much. अर्को सेन्टेन्स रहेको छ के तिमी जान्छौ? Will you go? Will you go? के तिमी जान्छौ? Will you go?